and I'm back at it again with another video. And in today's video, we are back at it with another purse review for you guys. And I'm super excited to do this specific review because I've wanted this bag for some time now. I did want it in a different color, but it was always sold out whenever I went to try and purchase. And with my last trip, I realized I had a few outfits that would go perfect with like orange accessories and stuff, but I did not have anything orange. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna get this purse, and it was also on sale. So if you are new here, I'm Chrissy. This is Chrissy's Lifestyle, and here I do everything ranging from beauty, hair, reviews, lifestyles, and a little bit of vlogs here and there. So if you are interested, definitely click that subscribe button as well as that bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video. So if you are interested in this review, then let's go. So the purse that I'll be reviewing for you guys today is the Marc shoulder bag by Marc Jacobs. I bought this purse off Farfetch. They were having a sale and I just jumped on it because every time I try to go and purchase this bag, it was out in purple, and as you guys know, purple is my favorite color. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it in orange because that's just the vibe I've been feeling lately, and I'm super happy I did. I love the style of this bag. Marc Jacobs has different variations of this specific style, with also different forms of like materials and sizes. I know they have a quilted one. I know they have a new shape that just dropped this year, as well as the mini version. And they also have various colors in this bag, which is pretty cute. But if you are a very nude, basic girl with no bold colors, then they do definitely have like black and nude colors for you as well. So the bag that I am talking about is this gorgeous beauty right here. This is the Marc shoulder bag, and this is the regular size. They do have the mini version of this, and this is in the color Dragonfire, if I am not mistaken. And isn't she a beaut? Okay, there is something that I did realize when I got this bag that I am not a fan of, and we're gonna get into it. But first, as I usually do, I'm gonna give you guys all the details of the purse, and we're gonna discuss what I like, what I don't like, and I'm gonna go in on the details of this purse, as well as finish unboxing because I didn't fully look at everything. So in real time with you guys, I'll be looking at the straps and everything that's actually inside the bag that actually came with this purse. So first off, let me just say this bag does retail for $395. It came with this yellow tag, if you guys can see, and it is in the color Dragonfire, as I said earlier before. This purse is made from smooth cow leather. It does have a magnetic closure. It has removable shoulder straps, a chain strap, and it is also adjustable. It has one interior slip pocket, one interior zip pocket, and one back slip pocket. And it does include a dust bag. Personally, I like the style of this bag. I think they did a great job, and I love the versatility. With the chain link strap, you can wear it as a shoulder, crook of the arm purse, and with the shoulder strap, you can wear it, of course, across your body and still on your shoulder, and you can even tuck in the chain link so you could wear it as, you know, a clutch. We're gonna open her up. The hardware on the front is the silver Marc hardware, and that is pretty much how you open it. It is a magnetic closure, so it simply closes like that, but if you go like that, it will open up. So when you open her up, this is what she looks like. She has the inner lining, and she does come with the extra shoulder straps, which we're going to get into in a second. And she also comes with the monogram Marc Jacobs duffel bag. As I always say, whenever you buy these luxury brands, you usually get a duffel bag, and you can also tell how luxury it is depending on the material and kind of how the duffel bag is also made, in my opinion. But that is pretty much all that is in there, other than the little tissue papers that I didn't take out. That's what she looks like. That's all the space that's in there. She's pretty spacious. A lot of people will say this is on the smaller size when it comes to a purse. I personally do not like big bags, but I feel like in terms of small purses, this is a small purse that can fit quite a few things. I know for sure. I love the chain straps. The detailing of this purse is silver, which I don't mind because I do have a lot of gold details on my bags. So having silver, you know, I'm just switching it up. But the chain strap on this is really nice. It is sturdy, she is thick, and it also has a little bit of weight to it, which is really nice. When you open her up, of course, as I said, you have the magnetic closure with the J's. That's what they make at the front right here. And then you have one little inner pocket that you can put stuff in, and on the inside you have a zip pocket that you can put stuff in and, you know, close up. You have another card in the zip pocket. And then on the back part of the purse, you also have another pocket at the back, and you also have Marc Jacobs embossed in the back right there. Also love the fact that the width of the purse is the same all the way down, because sometimes in some purses, depending on the design, it will kind of get slender at the top, and I feel like that limits the room in which you can hold stuff. And I have a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Let me go get it real quick. Okay guys, so if you realize on my Coach Nolita 19 purse, the width of the purse, you realize it starts out thick from the bottom and then it kind of slenders at the top, which does limit a little bit of room in which you can hold stuff. So that's what I mean by the width. It was consistent from top to bottom, so you know, you get more space for your money, which is nice. And we're gonna head right into the strap, the shoulder strap, which is super nice, very thick. It is made really well, and I actually think it's super cute. I usually don't like super chunky like shoulder straps, but it does help with actually, like, you know, grip wise and just comfortability of it being super thick, you know, being on your shoulders. A lot of people does not like when their shoulder strap is like super skinny, so having it really thick is super nice, but it also gives you a different look when you are wearing this bag. That's also why I do like this bag, because of its versatility with the chain straps, where you can be more, you know, feminine, more chic, on the shoulder type of vibe. And then once you pop out these shoulder straps, you know, you got that chill vibe, and then you can tuck the chains in and have a nice dinner moment with a clutch. Like, who doesn't want a bag that can do it all? You know what I mean? So going back to the straps, we have the, of course, Marc Jacobs name on the strap. It does have a nude khaki color, and the lines on the outer parts are like this silver glitter that ties back into the metal detailing of the purse, which is really, really nice. And then also what I do realize is it also has the Marc Jacobs name right on the hardware of where you detach the purse. So we're gonna go ahead and attach her. So this is what she looks like with the attached shoulder straps, and you can wear her with the shoulder straps and the chain hanging, or you can also wear her where you put the chain within the purse. I will do a quick little fit check of, you know, me wearing it so you guys can see, but this is pretty much what she looks like. I think it's super cute, it's nice, and even if you want to wear the shoulder strap as an actual shoulder strap, it is short enough to where you can do that too if you feel like the chain length is a little bit just too short. So it works both ways. So I don't know if it's just the shipping, but pretty much when I got this purse, when I finally unboxed it and looked at it, well, it wasn't even really an unboxing. I do realize when you buy some of these designer purse and stuff like that online, they don't necessarily give you it in a box. And listen, I'm sorry, if I'm paying over $300 for a purse, no matter if I go in store or online, I want you to send it in a box, okay? If Amazon can do it for the smallest of things, I expect brands like Marc Jacobs and MK and all these people to deliver my purse in a box. Because when I got this, there still is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 dots, like someone poked it. I don't know if there was just a fault in the bag when I bought it, or if something happened during, you know, shipping. I don't know. I don't like it, but it's literally right at the front of the bag, and I don't even know what I can do to change that. So it's kind of like I'm just stuck with it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna zoom in and do the overlay so you guys can see. And then the more I look at the bag, also down here does have a little bit of dents as well. So I'm just here looking at it like, that is super disappointing, but the bag is super nice. And I'm wondering if that happened because of the shipping, you know, without a box and so forth. But other than that, everything looks good. It's super nice, it's super clean. The J hardware, it's not chipped, it's smooth. The chain straps as well, they're super nice, thick and sturdy. Nothing is chipped, nothing looks scratched. It is really nice. I love it, other from the fact that there are these holes right here. That is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. Also, it is the holiday season, so you'll definitely see these on sale. So if you feel like, you know, you weren't sure, I hope this video was one to make you feel like, yeah, I'm gonna get that purse, okay? So yeah, bye guys.